Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 7, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, December 7, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 7, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 7, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 10 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 238 million pesos for December 7, 2023 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, December 7, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.